Do you ever feel like you waste too much time in the kitchen? Or find yourself zoning out while cooking? What if you could train your brain while preparing meals? Today, I'll show you 8 genius brain hacks that will make cooking faster, smarter, and way more fun. 1. The 5-minute rule to overcome procrastination. Do you ever feel like putting off cooking? Try the 5-minute rule. Set a timer and commit to just 5 minutes of meal prep. This tricks your brain into action, and once you start, you're likely to keep going. 2. Use binaural beats or focus music. Cooking while listening to binaural beats or focus music can help you stay present and work more efficiently. Studies show that certain frequencies enhance cognitive performance and reduce distractions, making meal prep a more mindful experience. 3. Maximize downtime with brain-boosting activities. Instead of scrolling on your phone while waiting for water to boil or something to bake, use that time to stretch, take deep breaths, or do a quick memory exercise. This helps improve focus and keeps your mind engaged. 4. Train your brain by using your non-dominant hand. Switching hands for simple kitchen tasks like stirring, pouring, or even chopping forces your brain to create new neural connections. This improves coordination, cognitive flexibility, and overall brain function. 5. Reduce decision fatigue with a cooking routine. Too many decisions can drain your mental energy. Create a simple routine for your cooking process, like setting up all ingredients before you start. This helps you work more efficiently without overthinking. 6. Use the Pomodoro technique for cooking. Break your cooking into focused time blocks. Set a timer for 25 minutes of active cooking, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique prevents mental fatigue and keeps you energized throughout meal prep. 7. Organize your kitchen for mental clarity. A cluttered kitchen can lead to mental clutter. Keep frequently used items at eye level and group similar tools together. An organized space reduces stress and makes cooking a smoother experience. 8. Turn cooking into a mindful activity. Instead of rushing through meal prep, try focusing on each step. Pay attention to the textures, colors, and sounds. Mindful cooking improves focus, lowers stress, and helps you enjoy the process. Boost your brain, uncover food's hidden benefits, and enjoy every delicious sip and bite. Join Smart Brain and Kitchen for smart, tasty insights. Which of these brain hacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments.